Yo, what is up guys, welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'll show you how to make a Spotify logo in Blender in basically under 3 minutes. You know that we delete those three and then add a cylinder. That's an icosphere. Good. Add a cylinder, okay, and change the vertices down there from 32 to 64. So once you've done that, shade it smooth by angle, and now you can rotate it, actually not by going here, you just gotta press R and X on your keyboard and then type 90, so you can rotate it for 90 degrees on the X axis. Once you do that, you need to make sure to scale it, right, like this. And once you've done that, press tab to go to edit mode. You can select this, switch to material preview up here. And once you do that, you need to make a new material, assign it, and change to image texture. Now, you can use any image you want, and I'm gonna use the one I downloaded. It's basic Spotify PNG image, and all you gotta do now, if it's not aligned just like mine, press here to go to UV editing, and now use G to move this circle and S to scale it. So to me it looks kind of cool. I'm gonna leave it like this. And yeah, we need to change this border as well. So press tab again to go to edit mode and press Ctrl I to invert select. And now add a new material and choose the color of the logo itself. Cool, so it looks like this now. Well, that would actually be it for this video, but if you're wondering why I haven't uploaded it earlier this day, is because my telecommunication service provider said, hey, yeah, you're not gonna have Wi-Fi today, isn't that funny? No, it's not funny. And that's pretty much the reason. So I thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.